I really love China more than the Americans. Lastly, I would say that we are not enemies. If ever China hits the Philippines, which we understand, it's because the Americans are here. I am sorry for my country. I am not the president anymore. I cannot run. And if God would allow it, and perchance, I would reverse the situation. It's not possible to talk sense to the skies. Maybe one remedy is I can talk to your government, either here, preferably here, your representative. You can talk about easing up a little bit, and I will tell the people that this is the protocol that China wants to, and it's good, and I recommend that we follow it. It's a contested area. You said it's yours, and we say it's mine. It's mine. We do not quarrel with that. We do not ask for any solution of this issue now. We just leave it that way. And,
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Rosa here of Splat Communications. Our video for today is about the interview of former President Rodrigo Duterte recently in Davao made by a newspaper, Global Times, owned by the Chinese Communist Party. We shall answer this point by point. In order for our dear subscribers and followers to understand the implications of this interview, Rina shall explain. But before we start, may we make a request to please subscribe and follow, hit the notification bell, make it a habit to note your comments and share our videos. It would also help us a lot if you'll become channel members as well. Being channel members would provide you access to perks and other fabulous benefits and surprises. Thank you. Okay, Rina, you may start anytime you are ready.
Thank you, partner Rosa. Is this another brain fart? Utot mo. If it favors one country, di ba ngayon ang malinaw na sinasabi mo na you favor China, di ibig sabihin crook din ang foreign policy mo. Ang galing mo namang magmalinis, magmatalino, at magmagaling sablay naman lahat ng sinasabi mo.
in the Taiwan's issue, we do not tinker with Taiwan. Taiwan is a province of China. And Taiwan wants to be independent, and America is supporting them, knowing that it is illegal because it is part of China sovereignty.
Sige nga, kung matapang ka talaga, subukan mong pumunta sa Taiwan at sabihin yan sa milyon-milyong mga Taiwanese na ang kanilang bansa ay parte ng soberenya ng China. Ewan ko lang kung ano ang abutin mo doon. Ang nakakatawa pa, nire-recognize mo ang sovereignty ng China, pero ang sa Taiwan hindi. Kung sa bagay, soberenya nga ng Pilipinas, binaliwala mo lang. Ano pa ba naman ang aasahan sa iyo?
How do you think that China and Philippines can go back to the track of dialogue and negotiation around the South China Sea issue?
We will just have to wait. You cannot talk to the guy because it is the Americans who will tell them what to say to you.
Ah, ganun? Didiktahan lang ba ng Amerika ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas? Ano ba ang ginagawa ng China sa iyo? Di ba ikaw ang nagministulang press secretary ng China sa Pilipinas? Sa lahat ng iyong ipinahayag ay pabor at naratiba na isinusulong ng China para pagwatak-watakin ang mga Pilipino. Dahil yan ang gusto ng China at sinusunod mo naman. Di ba parang uto-uto din ang tawag doon?
So, it is forever a cycle of incongruity. Remember that we do not have any quarrel with them. We know that if it would come because of the Americans are there. So we cannot, well, we have to accept it because our government admittedly allowed it.
Wow! Ang galing! Anong klaseng naging pangulo to? Kayo hindi nag-endorse ng gentleman's verbal agreement. Di nyo ipinaalam sa mga Pilipino ang mga agresyon ng INTSIC sa China noong kapanahunan nyo, tapos ngayong nag-craft ng sariling foreign policy ang Pangulo base sa mga agresyon ng China, sisisihin nyo ang Pangulo. Di ba nagpunta ka pa sa Malacanang pagkatapos ng bayahe mo sa China noong nakaupo na si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr.? Bakit hindi mo sinabi at ipinaalam ang mga dating napagkasaunduan?
You know, people have given you quite different attacks regarding your governing style. For example, among your political opponents, they probably say you are too friendly to China and South China Sea issue. However, in minds of many Chinese, you are so powerful and decisive in dealing with domestic issues such as drugs, crimes, and terrorism, and they appreciated the independent foreign policy you pursued during your presidency. How would you like to comment on those attacks?
First of all, let me explain. In the matter of foreign policy, and even in the matters of governance, it is a matter of principle. The principle that I see that I see things in the right perspective. That whether or not it would be good for my country to remain neutral and not to entertain in this kind of invasive activities by America.
Dito na pumasok ang Messianic Complex ni Digong. Siya lang ang matalino at siya lang ang nakakaalam ng mabuti sa mga Pilipino. Nagpapatawa ka na talaga.
Second is in governance. I'm a hard line, especially drugs, criminality, and every facet of governance. But I try to be friendly with all.
Talaga bang you try to be friendly with everyone? Natatandaan niyo pa po ba ito mga kababayan?
Gusto ko tawagan. Pope, putang ina ka, umuwi ka ng... Ano magbisita dito na...
Yan ang nagmamagaling sa foreign policy. Nakalimutan niya ba na ang Pope ay isa ring head of state dahil ang Vatican ay isang sorling bansa at estado? Napakalaking kasinungalingan yan. Ito pa ang isa.
Hanggang ngayon, doon sa iyo, that he is known to issue warnings of killing criminals. Sabi ko, fuck you.
Yan ba ang nagsasabing nag-pray makipagkaibigan sa lahat? Di po ba malinaw na kasinungalingan yan? Gusto nyo pa?
So, you can go to hell. Mr. Obama, you can go to hell. You better choose purgatory.
Isa pa po ba? Marami pa.
I am inviting the United Nations, si Pangki, anong pangalan niyang yawa na yan?
Kawalan ng respeto sa Pangulo ng United Nations. Iyan po, ilan lang yan na magpapabulaan sa mga sinabi niyang sinikap niya maging kaibigan ang lahat. Tigilan na ang pambubudol, Digong, bistado ka na ng mga Pilipino.
And it's not because it's not a pretended friendship with China. I really love China more than the Americans.
Siyempre naman, minura mo nga si United States President Obama, di ba? Obvious naman yan. Pati ang Papa sa Roma, buong European Union, at pati na ang Presidente ng United Nations binalahura mo. Kasi silang lahat pinaalalahanan ka tungkol sa pagkamatay ng libo-libong Pilipino. Kaya ka nagalit sa kanila. You isolated the Philippines from the rest of the world para ma-justify lamang ang madugo mong drug war, di ba? Sa China ka kumapit kasi di ka binatikos ni Xi Jinping at siya ang inasahan mong magpoprotekta sa iyo laban sa mga bansang binalahura mo. Parang lumalabas ang foreign policy noong panahon niya ay personal survival foreign policy na nakatago sa huwad na kapayapaan sa West Philippine Sea. Parang ganun ang lumalabas, di po ba?
Lastly, I would say that we are not enemies. If ever China hits the Philippines, which we understand, it's because the Americans are here.
Wow, di pa man, parang ginostify mo na ang pag-atake ng China sa Pilipinas. Dahil kasalanan ng Amerika at ni Pangulong Marcos. Saan naman kayo nakatagpo ng ganitong klaseng animal? Parang inaabswelto na agad ang China, sakaling atakihin ang Pilipinas, parang sinasabi na naiintindihan namin na kami ay aatakihin nyo. Anong klaseng sakit sa utak ang tumama dito?
But it can never be a China-Philippine war. We will always be friends. I can assure you.
Isa na lang po ang aming masasabi. Isang kasinungalingan at tila kawalan ng matinong pag-iisip ang lahat ng ipinahayag. Piantunayan niya na siya ay tuta ni Xi Jinping at ng bansang China. Di mo mahal ang Pilipinas, di mo mahal ang mga Pilipino. Wala kang kwenta. Ano po ang masasabi niyo dito? Maari lamang po na pakitala ang inyong saloobin sa comment section. Dito na po nagtatapos ang part 3 ng ating reaction series. Sana po ay inyo ring suportahan ang ibang part ng reaction video series na ito kung di nyo pa po napapanood ang iba para buo po ang konteksto ukol sa interview ng Global Times kay dating Pangulong Digong. Hanggang sa muli po, in behalf of the entire Splat Communications team, thank you. Till next time, stay safe. We na out. Bye.